Hi friends, this is Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions. I'm at Starbucks having some tea. I don't do coffee very much, but anyway, I want to share a new tip with you today. Tech Tip Tuesday is how I show step flashing on, where a roof meets a wall. Let's get started. Yes, so I want to remind you about my Patreon page. Quickly search for patreon.com/designbuildsolutions, and you will find 4 different ways that you can support the continuation of these videos and this information. If you want to just share the price of a cup of coffee with me each month, I would appreciate that. If you want to go higher and support at higher levels, you can get help with your models as well. Check that out, patreon.com/designbuildsolutions. Thank you. So for today's tip, I've shown this before in different applications, but this is how I would show a step flashing situation against this hip roof addition. I'm going to use the wall material definitions. You can do that with build, wall material region. I have it added, I customized my toolbar and added that wall material region to my toolbar. And I'm just going to draw right here, like this. Now, obviously, I'm not going to be putting subway tiles, so we're going to just paint that this white trim color and kind of resize that to where it needs to go here. Pull that down. Pull this across. And I'm going to hit the number 3 key on my keyboard to break this edge of the region. That way I can just adjust this down. That looks good from here. There's a couple other things we do need to pay attention to, and that is the depth of this wall material region. Now in this case it's pretty stark contrast because there's 4 7/16 inch of brick between the stud, 4 7/16 inches between the stud and the face of this brick. So you can actually see in 3D or a section view that that would be, recessed. So I'm going to double click on this material region and edit that. 4 7/16, so I need to be just beyond 4 7/16. I've got a 1/4 inch of this color, a 1/4 inch of this backerboard. I don't care so much about the materials, just the thickness. If I make this 4.5 inches thick, now that's just forward of the brick, and that's fine. The last thing I need to check is the interior. So let's take another section right through here. Now I don't want this inside the room, so I'm going to hit the number 3 key on my keyboard again to break this right at this level of this edge. And I'm going to bring that right up to the roof situation. Now if you wanted to go into all the detail of stepping it into the brick, that would be fine. You can hit the number 3 keyboard and make that step down if you want to go into that level. For my purposes, I'm just fine with looking like this. The beautiful thing about this is it's in 3D. It's a parametric object, so it looks proper in elevation. It looks proper in 3D, and it looks proper in plan view. You don't see very much of it in plan view, but I see the skylights in front of it, all that good stuff. I hope this information is helpful for you. I hope I recorded a quick tip today. Anyway, just a reminder to go to my Patreon page. Thank you so much to those who are supporting me now, and thank you for considering supporting me. Again, if you just consider the price of a cup of coffee each month, I would greatly appreciate it, and that would help keep going on this information. I hope you like this video. Drop a like down there, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified each week that I upload these videos. Check out my website, www.designbuildsolutions.com, and thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful week.